Today we will learn a very interesting lead generation automation. So assume that you are running ads on Google from where you are generating lot of leads. So in this video I'll show you how to add your Google Ads leads to Brevo and Google Sheets automatically. So what will happen whenever a new lead is generated, the same lead will be instantly created as a contact in Brevo email marketing software, and even the same lead will be added to our Google spreadsheet as well. Want to learn how you can also automate this process? Come with me and I will show you everything step by step. Alright, so this is my Google Ads account and I am adding my Google lead form to this particular campaign. So the headline of this form is travel inquiry form, and using this form I am collecting the first name, last name, phone number, email, and one more question, that is what is your destination city. So whenever a new lead will be generated, I will show you how to add that lead to Brevo and Google Sheets application automatically. But to automate this whole process, firstly I will have to build a connection in this Google lead form, Brevo and Google Sheets application, which I will do with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software. I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so that is why I am already logged in here, you can see. But you can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have directly pasted the name as add Google Ads leads to Brevo and Google Sheets. Now I am selecting the folder in which I want to create my automation workflow, clicking on create, and in this way you will find 2 boxes. So these boxes are called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever something happen in your first application, then automatically do this in your next application. Okay, so in this way you need to always choose your applications in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, I want that whenever a new lead is arrived via Google lead form, then automatically add that lead as a contact in Brevo email marketing software. So that is why as an action application I will be searching for the same. Okay, and it is not compulsory that you can sync your leads with Brevo software only. If you want, you can go with Active Campaign also, MailChimp also, and any software of your choice. Okay, but according to my use case I'll go with the same, that is Brevo. Alright, so I have selected the same, and further I wanted to collect the leads in Google Sheets also, so that is why I'll be clicking on this plus icon and will add one more action step. Okay, so in this way you can add as many as action steps as you want and add your favorite application and automate your lead generation process, automate your lead management process. Okay, so now I am going to connect these 3 applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let us first connect this Google lead form with the Pabbly Connect. So firstly I will have to select the trigger event. You can also read the instruction, triggers when a new lead is created. Alright, so it is selected, and here you can notice a webhook URL along with a few set of instructions is provided here. Okay, so first of all I'm going to copy this webhook URL, and basically with the help of this URL only we are going to build a connection in our Google lead form with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let me first take you to my Google lead form. Alright, so this is the form I was creating, and because I'm not running any live Google Ads, I am creating this automation in the draft mode. So I'll show you how you can also do that. Okay, so firstly you will have to scroll down in your Google lead form, and here you will find the option of delivery option. Okay, basically this lead delivery option. Okay, so first read the instruction. Download collected leads and add extension table. You can only download leads that have been collected within the last 30 days. Okay, well in this particular case we are building this connection with the help of webhook URL, so that is why the data will be sent in real time. Yes, every time a new lead will be arrived via this form, that lead data will be sent to this specific webhook URL, that too automatically. Okay, so let me first copy and paste the URL which we have got via Pabbly Connect, and then it will ask you to provide a key. So read the instructions that the webhook key is a code sent with your data which verifies it came from you. Okay, so for now I am going to add some random details. Okay, and now as soon as as I click on the send test data button, you will see the lead data, a testing lead data will be received here as a webhook response. Now why I am interested in clicking on this button, because as I have told you, I am not running any live ads, so I'll show you this automation with the test data only. Okay, so how about I click on this button and you can see test data sent, and you can also see the data here, basically what particular value has been sent as the first name. Okay, so as the first name, this first name value has been sent, as the last name, this last name thing has been sent. Okay, let me show you other data also. So here we have the phone number which has got sent automatically, this is the email address, and this is the value, what is your destination city. Okay, so coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here you can notice the response is received. Let me even show you the details one by one. Okay, so here you can find what is the destination city, this is example answer, then what is the user email, this is test@example.com. okay, and what should be the phone number, and here we have the phone number. So in this way you can find all the details. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Google Lead Form and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen, every time a new lead will be generated via this Google Lead Form, those leads will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, so in this way the first step of our automation is done. Now moving further, I will show you how to add your Google Ads lead automatically to Brevo email marketing software. So the application is already selected. Now I will be selecting the action event, that is contact creation. Okay, give me a second, let me search for the same. Alright, create or update contact, clicking on this connect button, then click on add a new connection, and for this connection it is asking for this domain and API key. Okay, so from where you can get these details, well, the domain is already added here, asking for the API key. Okay, so read the instructions. Firstly, go to your Brevo account, then click on this arrow button. Here you will find the option of SMTP and API, click on that, and this is the API keys option, from where you can actually generate a new API key. You can even see that lot of keys are already generated, but I'll show you how you can create a new one. Name on your API key, name your API key. Okay, so I will provide the name something like connection with Pabbly Connect software. Okay, I have provided this particular name, clicking on this button generate, and in this way a key will be generated which I have copied, clicking on OK. Coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, let me paste the exact key here, clicking on save, and in this way my Brevo account will be also connected with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, and because it is connected, here you can notice it is asking for several details which are actually required for creating a contact in any email marketing software. Okay, so firstly it is asking for the email address, enter the email address of the user. Okay, so because I have collected the basic information only from my Google Ads lead form, so I am going to provide the data only into the required field or into the important field. Okay, now from where I'm going to provide the data, remember we have already captured this data as a response of our trigger step, as a response of our first step. Okay, and the interesting thing here is I'm not going to manually copy this lead data and paste below again and again. I am going to map the above details, and mapping is very simple. Click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Let me search for the very same data. Alright, it is mapped. Now it is asking for the email blacklisted, SMS blacklisted, list. Alright, so you can notice whatever the list are available inside your Brevo account have started visible here. Let me even show you the same. This is my contact section and these are the list, various list. Okay, so how about I go with this contact list? Well, it is visible at the top only, so I have selected the same. Now it is asking for the last name and the first name. Okay, so again I'm going to map the same thing, searching for the first name, which is this, searching for the last name. Alright, give me a second. And you must be thinking that what is this mapping? So whatever the details I will map here, these details will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time or in next time. Okay, I'm repeating this thing once again again that the details I'm providing here via mapping will be replaced automatically. But if I will provide any detail manually here, that detail will remain same for every new Google ad lead. Okay, so this is the difference in providing the values via mapping and via manual. Okay, let me first remove this, and I think I have provided the data in all the fields. How about I click on this button and you will see how a new contact will be created in our Brevo account automatically. Okay, you don't have contacts yet. Coming back to Pabbly Connect dashboard, clicking on this button, save and send test request, waiting for the response to received. Fingers crossed. Alright, so the response is received. Going back, let me first refresh the dashboard of Brevo, and again fingers crossed, waiting for the contact to be created. And here you can notice the same person has been created as a contact in our Brevo email marketing software. This is the same first name, last name, the same phone number. Okay, and we have all the details. Okay, so in this way you can also build a connection in Brevo and Google lead form and send the Google ads lead to Brevo email marketing software automatically. Okay, so coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and in this way the second step of our automation is also done. Now moving further, I will show you how to collect the same lead data in Google Sheets so that you do not have to share the access of your different account. Simply collect the lead data in your spreadsheet and then you can share the access of this spreadsheet with all your team members. Okay, so the application is already selected. Now I will select the action event, that is add a new row, because firstly a new row will be added and in that new row the data will be updated automatically. Okay, so clicking on this connect button, clicking on add a new connection, clicking on this button, and if you are connecting your Google Sheets account with Pabbly Connect for the first time, you'll have to go with this option only. But if you have already built this connection multiple times, simply go with the existing connection. Yes, I can reuse my existing connection without providing the access every time. Okay, clicking on save, and in this way my Google Sheets account will be also connected with Pabbly Connect. Alright, so you can notice it is connected, and because we are connected, whatever the spreadsheets are available inside my account have started visible here. Okay, so let me select this specific spreadsheet. So the name of my sheet is leads via Google lead form. Alright, so it has got selected automatically, and here also you can find I have a single sheet only, that is sheet 1. So that is why I will have to specify the same thing here also, that is this sheet 1. Okay, asking for the first name, last name, email. Now from where these columns have came from? Okay, so because we have already connected our spreadsheet with Pabbly Connect, whatever the columns you will add in your spreadsheet, if that spreadsheet is connected with Pabbly Connect, the same column names will be visible here. Alright, so let me provide the details one by one here, and the details will be updated here automatically. You will see the magic, and again I am going to map these details. Alright, so I have mapped the first name also, asking for the last name, email, phone. Okay, so give me a second, let me map the details in all other fields as well. Asking for the last name I have mapped, asking for the email, searching for the email directly with the help of @, asking for the phone number, let me search with the help of plus. Alright, do we have the phone number? And yes, we do have the phone number. Okay, so I think I have provided all the important details. Okay, so how about I click on the save and send test request button directly, and you will see a response will be added to my spreadsheet automatically. Okay, so I have provided the details. This is my spreadsheet. Coming back, clicking on this button, save and send test request, and waiting for the response to receive. And here you can notice the response is already received. Going back to my spreadsheet, and here you can find the same information. Let me even correct it so that you can see this data very clearly. Okay, so I hope you have understood that how you can automate this process with the help of Pabbly Connect, and you do not have to do anything manually. Okay, simply create this automation and sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. And if you want to access this 3-step workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my workflow into the description box. So simply click on this link and sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com, My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.